All right, what up? What up? Break even day today. Live day trading. So I bought 20 Apex accounts the other night. Um, and I would have passed them all today if my TP got hit. And I would have taken a $15,000 payout on Take Profit Trader. Now it's all right. Break even day. Didn't lose anything, so it didn't even fucking matter. But yeah, let's get into the trade. All right, so as you guys can see right here, if you're in the Discord, my bias for the day was bullish. I wanted to see one of these two gaps get hit. Um, More likely this gap right here because it turned into a BPR range. Yeah. So it actually played out, and I was targeting. I wanted to see price go to this high right here. I wasn't exactly targeting it because I just wanted enough to pass um, all the evals. So yeah, I entered with two minis today. So if we come into market open here, first thing we did was manipulate down and took out all these 5 minute lows right here, which is exactly what I wanted to see. And we tapped into the 1 hour gap right here. So boom, just like that, we hit this 1 hour gap. And we also create a bullish SMT, Nasdaq being the leading index here. So this is exactly what I wanted to do. We also changed state of delivery right here on the 5 minute, closed above these highs, which I love to see. So high time frame gap got hit. External bullish high time frame SMT. Change structure to the upside right here. Then if we get into our entry, we created a 5 minute fair value gap right here, bullish fair value gap. And we took another change in state delivery to the downside on the 1 minute, but it's fine because we were just retracing into this 5 minute gap, and we never changed state delivery on the 5 minute, which is good. So we tap this 5 minute gap right here and create the SMT right here. This would be the SMT. And then, yeah. Now, after we hit this 5 minute bullish for value gap, I wanted to see price break above this high and above this high right here. And that's what we did on this next candle. We had a huge ass candle at 9:45. Change in state delivery to the upside again right here. Call it break structure, whatever you want to call it. I just don't like to call it that. So now I'm looking for entries, okay? So after this big move up, I waited for a little high to get formed so I can draw out my leg. Sorry, guys, that's too far. All right. So after we have our leg filled out, I drew from the swing low to the swing high my precision model. This is where the precision model comes in, and we also inverse a 30-second gap over here. If you're wondering, I'm just not showing it. But we have a 30-second gap that I got inverse right there. So just a little summary. Down here we have our 1 hour high time frame bullish rally gap, an SMT divergence with S&P 500, Nasdaq being the leading index, up to these 5 minute lows right here. So we have manipulation to the downside here, looking for buys because we have buy side liquidity above, and then we tap this 5 minute gap, creating another internal bullish SMT right here. We have our 1 minute change in state delivery. We have a 30-second inversion for value gap, and then my precision zones right here lines up with the 0.62, which is also in, obviously it's in the discount of the equilibrium and of the leg. So I have my limit order basically set here. And then I had my stop right below the 5 minute fair value gap, and then I was just targeting to pass the evals. Alright, so right here we get tagged in, just like that, and then we're going break even at the internal high. So we retest that area again, and we retest it a lot. We were chopping around a lot today near my entry, which I didn't really like. Swept out that low right there, and then this is where we get a pretty strong push up. and we actually inverse this 1 minute gap, which is what I love to see. And then this is where I went break even. Right here, I just put it to the open of the big up candle. And then 10 a.m. opened is what really fucked me. I got hit break even here, and then we kind of just created a bunch of bullshit for the rest of the day. Honestly, great trade, but I feel like I got a little too greedy on these evals. Just trying to pass them right away. 20 Apex counts, so they haven't changed at all. So my XFA accounts on Take Profit also have nothing. All break even day, literally $5 on everything. And yeah, pretty good trade. A plus setup today. I really liked it. I really liked today's price action. Very clean. Very clean entry, but the finishes wasn't really great. Yes, I could have had my take profit here for 1 to 1.5, but again, I got greedy. That's a mistake that I made, and I'll learn from it again. But yeah, especially on a Monday like this, maybe de-risking a little bit and having lower targets, you know. But overall, yeah, that's today's price action and review of my trade. Join the Discord down below and click the link if you want to get mentored one-on-one by me and learn my precision model. I'll see you guys in the next one.